Okay, here we are at the Beach House project. I'll show you what we've done so far. So this is the room that was added on with no foundation under these three walls. So what we've done is we've removed all of the old sort of scabbed on deck joist, and we've added a new deck joist. So it begins inside the house here, and it's been added, glued and nailed onto the side of every house floor joist, and it protrudes through to the outside, creating our new balcony deck. So that's all new framing there now, and by doing so we've eliminated all the posts that they had originally had underneath these points to hold up the failing balcony deck that was there. And so we've installed all those new joists and blocked in between all of them. So that's all really ready for the decking to go back onto. But inside, because this room didn't have a foundation and it was just sort of scabbed on, we poured these temporary footings, one in each place here, on which we put these shoring jacks, and on top of the shoring jacks, of course, these temporary 6x6 posts which support this temporary triple 2x10 beam that we've now used to lift the house up. So as you can see up here, by the space that's between the joist and that beam, that at this point we've lifted the house about 3/4 of an inch, and we're doing it slowly to get back to level. So that's basically where we are with the project right now. Is we've got all those new sistered on deck joists glued and nailed to the side of every floor joist, the temporary beam that's now currently holding up the entire house on this end, and we'll raise it a little bit more. And once we do that, once we raise it, we'll remove these three walls and we'll go back to the way the house was originally built, where it had these posts, just a 6x6 post holding up these three beams that'll run down to the existing concrete pier that's underneath there, which looks to be in good enough shape to reapply the load to. So there you go. And of course our view.